Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Baking with me, my kitchen space. In today's recipe, we are making some chocolate chip cookies, and from this corner I have some vanilla essence. These are my chocolate chips that I've made in a previous episode that I uploaded yesterday. You should check that out. And these are some chocolate that I've decided to chop just to give it a variety of texture. I have with me here some all-purpose flour, my sugar, some baking soda, some salt, 1 egg, and some butter or margarine, whichever you have at hand. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'll start by creaming my butter and the sugar. So once that is well combined, I'll go in with my egg. Then I'll add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Then I'm also going to go in with about a pinch of salt. And also about half a teaspoon of some baking soda. Then I'm going to combine this, then I can go in with my flour. Then I'm going to go in with my flour. And I'm just going to mix it in till everything is well combined. So just when everything comes in together, you should stop at that point. So I'm going to go in with my choco chips, and I'm going to add a significant amount, about 1 cup of it. And I'm also going to go in with this. So you can notice the difference between the choco chips and the chocolate bar. I'm pretty sure if you're going to try this recipe, you definitely like some chocolate. And I'm also going to mix this in till the chocolate is well distributed. So our dough is ready, and now it's ready to go into the oven, but I'm going to chill this in the fridge for about 10 to 15 or 20 minutes, and then I'll be back to give you instructions on how you can bake this. So guys, we've come to the end of today's episode, and I'm here to give it a taste test, and you can see how beautiful they look. Yeah, they're well done, and wow. Wow, this is so good. You can see the chocolatey. Wow, it's chewy. Wow, this is so good. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed, and I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.